Hello everyone, this is Ruchika, tarot card reader and spiritual healer. So आज का जो video is about full moon rituals. I'll be telling you some full moon rituals that you have to do on full moon. So this was on the request of some of the clients because I keep on telling some remedies of full moon. So they asked me to make a video. So here I am with my video. So about love relations, I would like to suggest to you all that you should meet your partner when there is full moon, because when you meet your loved one in the full moon, this has a great impact on your relationship. So first, second, remove all the clutter from your home when it's full moon, because there are very positive energies from the moon, so you need to remove all the clutter from the house, especially from your entrance. You need to remove all the clutter from your entrance. Second, you have to make movement of few things like I have this candle holder, I have these statues. So you just need to move them a little from, you just need to shift them from their place. Suppose I have kept it here. So just in order to change their energies, you just need to move them a little like this. That's it. Okay, because it is very important to keep on changing the energies of the things which you have kept in your home. So you need to move 27 things, but if it's not possible for you, you just need to move a little, like you have a sofa arranged, so you need to just move it a bit, just in order to for the energy movement, so you need to move 27 things, or else minimum 9 things are mandatory. You need to move 9 things at least during the full moon. Plus I'll be sharing one ritual of full moon, which is there to manifest everything you want in your life. You need to have ingredients. You need to have bay leaf, you need to have bowl, glass bowl, coins, cinnamon powder, green pen, and a candle or a diya, and an empty bowl. So what you need to do, collect some coins, put it in the bowl, and then you can write on bay leaf your wishes. It may be 3 wishes, it may be 4 wishes, it may be 5 wishes. Like if you want to manifest that I want money instantly, I am the rich person, I am very happy, I am a calm soul, like that, whatever you want to manifest. And the manifestation should be in the, or affirmations that should be in the present tense. Like you don't have to write, you will have to write like this: I am happy, I am a money magnet, I am beautiful, I am healthy. So like that. Then after writing on bay leaf, keep the bay leaves around the corners of the, suppose this is the bowl I have, and I'll keep some coins in it, and I'll be arranging bay leaves like in the standing uh, a standing way in the bowl, and I'll keep the coins there, and I'll sprinkle the cinnamon powder above the coins. Okay, and then I'll place a diya above the coins. Like I'll be filling the bowl till here with coins. Okay, I'll be arranging my bay leaves at the corners of the bowl. Then I'll be sprinkling the cinnamon powder on the coins. All right, and then I'll be lighting a diya above it. So suppose my I have filled the coins till here, so my diya will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. So then after that, you will have to sit under the moon, and you will have to visualize the things which you have manifested or affirmed. So you need to visualize for 5 to 10 minutes, and then keep on lighting the candle, keep on lighting the diya for at least an hour, and then you have to burn the bay leaves on which you have written your problems, or your the things which you want to manifest, and burn them and keep it in a separate bowl. That I told you earlier, that you need to have an empty bowl with you as well. So then keep the ashes in that bowl, and you have to surrender that ashes to the universe with the affirmation that I owe this to the universe. So this is a very powerful ritual, and with this you can manifest anything and everything. So in my next video, I'll be telling you how to crack exams. That will be for especially for children. On the request of some parents, I'll be telling you some rituals which you have to do in order to increase their memory, and how they'll be able to crack their exams. So okay guys, if you had not subscribed my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe, and so that you may get notified with the my upcoming videos, and do share these videos with others also, so that they may also get benefited. And these are very powerful rituals, so do it and you will observe the change that will be surely coming in your life. So all the best guys, bye bye, take care.